Lonzo Ball not playing tonight.
Yeah.
What went into the thought process of shutting him down for this championship game?
You know, he's got the groin, he's got the calf now, and we don't know if it's a tear or not. So we got to go back and get an MRI back in Los Angeles tomorrow. You know, we want to make sure that the young man is healthy and strong for training camp. So he showed that he could play in the NBA. He's been wonderful out here in Summer League. But now what I got to look forward to is training camp and then the regular season.
You didn't anticipate anything being serious, though? You mentioned an MRI. Yeah. Was that serious?
Well, we just want to make sure because we don't know what it is. And so you want to just be on the precaution side of it to make sure that everything is okay, that, you know, he'll be ready again for training camp. And then when you think about this is the third game in a row. These guys have never played this many minutes under this type of situation in terms of in the pros. So they're getting a taste of what the NBA is really going to be like for them once exhibition season starts, as well as into the season.
Ball has an unorthodox shot. How much do you try to tinker with it, if at all?
Really don't mess with it, Joe, you know, because the kid has been shooting like this since he was a kid, you know. So when you think about his younger years and now up through high school being successful with it, then at UCLA being successful with it, you really don't try to mess with it.